So, you're looking to use the internet to help improve your sales. Like most businesses, you probably have a website, and you may even have engaged a search engine optimization specialist to help your site rank well in the search engines. But honestly, how successful is your website at grabbing the attention of its visitors and keeping them there long enough to make sure your marketing message is both heard and understood? If you are not using video on your website right now, then you are missing out on the effectiveness that this medium has on retaining visitor interest and showing them exactly what it is that you have to offer them. Video, unlike pure text, leaves less to the imagination of the viewer and lowers the risk of confusion. But before you go out there and rush to throw a video together, you need to keep in mind that your new video also has to give a good impression of your company. An amateur-looking video is going to give the impression that you aren't a reputable company. OptiVid Marketing produces professional, high-quality videos for businesses. Our videos create a great first impression and act as an effective marketing tool for your business. Our marketing team will not only create the video, but we will also distribute it across the internet on your behalf to ensure that it can be found on the major search engines when keywords relating to your business are being used as search terms. If you would like to know more about OptiVid Marketing and our services, please call us, and we would be only too happy to explain our services in more detail and to help you plan on how we can fit in with your marketing strategy.